Hello, guys. Hello. Good morning. Can you hear me? Yeah, perfect. For some reason, Discord tells me like server muted, but I cannot mute it. It's okay. I guess it's my issue. How are you guys? From Europe. Good afternoon. Yeah. You're becoming regular right here. Okay. How are you guys? How was your PM session? PM session wasn't bad. I'm not going to lie. Setups that we discussed yesterday during the AM session play out exactly what I expected to get. Exactly what I expected to get. Exactly what I traded. Yeah, that sell was perfect. We actually shorted from the right from the top, almost from the top. We shorted. I remember. We shorted somewhere from here, right? Somewhere from here. Yesterday. Your wife was very bad to you last few days. Why? Yeah, I shorted twice as well. I stopped out, then re-entered, and funny, I stopped out and re-entered at the same price, exactly at the same price, and then win. How are you, second wife? ICL? Okay. PM session setup play out, so we just call this like 2 hours before this happened. Honestly, expect to get exactly same move like before 12. Okay, it took time. I mean, I'm fine. Just happy I decided to wait. Okay, guys. Trump's speech today at 11. Maybe it's going to be a little bit choppy, but what we must do is just to finish trading before 11 a.m. Because I have no idea what will happen after 11. Is it going to be like huge moves? Is it going to be volatility? I don't know. Like, obviously it's going to be volatility. Just I don't know what will happen. Yeah, it wasn't bad price action in the PM session, exactly. Well, guys, plan. Back on the 15-minute chart. So my plan was, if we may stay below this level right here, below this break of structure right here, I would like to see move lower to take London low on ES. Classic skip day. on ES, as long as we stay below this level, I would like to see lower to this London low. Same plan on NQ below New York midnight open, London low, then possible attempt to enter this for our volume imbalance. Obviously, once you break this level and this level right here, we have chance to continue going higher. So I would say like I don't have like perfect bias right now. Makes sense to trace lower as well as we still inside market maker buy model on high time frame. So London low is my key level. We have SMT between ES and NQ right here, and obviously right here. At this point, London low makes lots of sense to take this level. I mean, on both ES and NQ, I would like to see London low. I mean, NQ looks like wants to do this sell off to London low, maybe for our volume imbalance. We have daily fair value gap as well. Yes, again, be in sync. Be good with us today. Still, ES trying to stay below New York midnight open. A bit choppy right here, but it's okay. Would like to see London low still on both ES and Q. Once again, as long as we stay below this level and this level, London low must be taken. Yeah, PM session recently is much more better than IM session for some reason. It's like easier to trade this. I feel like this. Got flat candle right here. It's not liquidity, it's just flat candle. We're going to draw this right here. It's flat candle right here. Not in sync, we have another SMT and lower time frame so far. Yeah, NQ was better. I was waiting for ES to displace at least a little bit to short NQ. I was waiting and waiting and waiting again. Then entered. So how many points? 5 points away from first key level right here, which this level right here, if on 1 hour chart we can close below this level, will become change in the state of delivery. That's why I put this sign right here. So first key level over, if we want to drop to London low, will be right here. It's choppy opening, so what I want to do, not predict right now. Once again, we need to be done before 11, otherwise PM session. I have no idea what will happen after 11. Once Trump starts speaking, I have no idea. Preferably be done before this time. ICT talk about PM reversal, as well as about PM continuation in his core content. You can watch this. So far we have, give me 1 second, I'm going to check something. What day it was? Wednesday, right? So far Monday low of the week, okay. And Wednesday high of the week. Consistent profile, honestly. How daily looks right now? Daily makes sense to retrace lower. At least to this daily volume imbalance, it kind of makes sense. Look at this daily chart, just open daily chart on your chart. And you will find that we have 2-3 up close candles in a row, so makes sense with fourth candle at least retrace lower. But once again, it doesn't mean like it should like invalidate market maker buy model or something like this. Just makes sense to see the retracement today after 3 up close candles in a row, in my humble opinion. I mean, I don't need to know what Trump is going to talk about. I need just stay away from trading this time. Hello, guys. Still choppy, so pretty much consolidation right here. I don't use session stat map. I only use open high low close. Specifically, I use 4-hour, daily, and weekly levels. That's pretty much it. This 8:30 a.m. Was still part of consolidation. I would not say like it means something right now. I think so. Like it doesn't make any sense. At least like with this price conditions, this consolidation, yeah, kind of don't care. We don't know how big the retracements will be once Trump starts speaking. So best what we can do is just like watch. Nothing more. I am session great again. Yeah. I cannot help you. Full port. Just beer. It's not beer, just water. I mean, it's just water. You got. Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, giveaway today. I'm going to give away 3 FX replay, 1 free months, and 1 free months of FX replay is going to be 3 winners. So what you need to do, I'm going to send the form, Google form in the chat as always. And it's going to be a little bit early today since we don't want to trade after 11, so we will try to be done before 11. And we will pick the 3 winners today. That's pretty much it. Hello, hello, hello. Yes, it traced back to New York midnight open. So far, I'm going to open SPX just to see what is going on there. On SPX, also don't mind to see slightly lower. It's like 14 points lower than current price. I mean, yeah, obviously we can fill the gap, but I feel like we have support at 60, 66. So New York midnight open, we have Asia high and Q2 Asia high. Yes, failed. Still choppy. $15-minute chart looks how to call this? I mean, on yes, kind of bullish trend so far. We don't have break of structure right here, by the way. So at this point, if it doesn't want to offer break of structure with this candle right now, I will look for this low right here. Taken. Barcode so far, yeah. Well, yes, pretty much trying to offer bullish trend, right? So we got break of structure right here. Right here, right? Yeah, right here. But right here it failed so far. It's not break of structure this week. So let's see where this candle can close in 5 minutes. If it wants to close like somewhere right here, it's going to be big week again. I don't know. Makes sense to trade to this low right here. Trying to be patient right now. So we got minor liquidity sip right here so far. Okay. And we have another liquidity right here. Just going to change the color. Market maker, we bounced. Which leg did you use? 15-minute one. You know, I have 4-hour leg right here. I'm going to show you. Don't pay attention to these levels right here. So I measured this leg right here on the 4-hour chart. And so far, it was so close to this 2 standard deviation, right? And honestly, if we may enter this range right here, makes sense to anticipate potential retracement to the range between 1 and 1.5 on high time frame. You know, it's either going to be end of market maker or buy model, but it's still higher from current price. It's like almost 300 points higher. And then the reversal or retracement, but at least we know where it's going to retrace at this range. Just, you know, yesterday it was kind of close, but failed. It just ran minor buy side liquidity yesterday. Just overall picture. We still inside market maker buy model. I feel like on 15 chart you said. Okay, give me 1 second. Which leg did you use? This leg right here? This one? I can measure. Oh, other direction. Okay, let's look at this first. We reverse from this range right here and still kind of stuck at the range between 1 and 1.5. Let's see what happens right here. So I feel like if it wants to be market maker sell model on 15-minute chart, we need to see obvious first stage of distribution. It's going to be somewhere right here. And at this point, if it wants to be first stage of distribution, we need to go, see some sort of high, right? Yes, okay. It's going to be the same, I guess. So it's the same. So far, we got a tracement from this range, and we definitely stuck at the range between 1 and 1.5. And right now, it's really interesting if it wants to be distortion. But guys, if it wants to be time distortion of this 15-minute market maker buy model, what do we need to have? Who knows? Who watched my market maker model video? What do we need to have to confirm distortion? Who knows? What conditions? What PDRA should form inside time distortion to consider potential continuation? Who remember? Who remember? Who watched market maker video, model video? How we can trade time distortion? Who knows? It's easy question. Yeah, exactly. Inversion fair value gap. An inversion fair value gap. Come on, guys. Who watched the video? So since it's pretty much choppy right here, I would like to see break above this level, above this buy side liquidity right here. If it wants to close above this level, I will confirm this time distortion and I will anticipate to see potential move higher. So I'm going to keep this level on my chart right now, and I'm going to keep this liquidity level right here. So basically, if I may close above this level, not sweep, closure, at least makes sense to look for this level. Then we have another one right here, and then attempt to possibly run higher. But once again, if you can close, not sweep. What sweep means reversal, right? Yeah, lots of people told me like it's easy to understand that you're Russian. You're not first right here. Okay, guys, if you can close above this level, once again, closure of the candle, not just weak. I anticipate to see a move right here and right here. So basically, it will be potential second stage of the accumulation. So basically, time distortion, right? And time distortion is like almost always, I cannot say like always, but almost always a part of second stage of the accumulation or redistribution. Make sense? Make sense, guys? I guess makes sense right now to send the video because I didn't see the right answer, but we have like 800 people right here. Give me 1 second. I'm going to send you a video about market maker model. For some reason, yeah, it's right here. I found it. That's right here. Asia high taken. So once again, Asia high was taken on NQ like long time ago. Already, it was like by the 8 a.m. And finally, we took Asia high on ES. Finally. First presented. Give me 1 second. Is this fair value gap, right? I cannot see any other fair value gaps. Let's highlight this. Makes sense. So I never used first presented fair value gap, but makes sense to observe how we can react from this level. Yeah, okay. Just interesting. First presented fair value gap. Perfect. Amazing. We highlighted it. Interesting. We have first presented fair value gap on ES and completely different. Like it's in premium right at this moment, but it's in discount. Okay. Anyway, first presented the G right here. Okay. Why don't have Asia low and Asia high? Since these levels were taken already, what's the reason to have them on my chart? Who knows? I don't know. Okay. We have 4-hour flat candle right here. Something went wrong with... I don't have any issue what this means. I don't care. So we have this 4-hour flat candle right here. I would say if I may break above this level on a yes and stay above this level, I will look for long. Maybe something like this. You know, something like this. I'm not sure about exact entry, so I cannot provide entry. So we're still inside first presented fair value gap. Looks like it was trying to break below this level, but so far, nope. We did not close lower than this level. Yes, trying to bounce from hourly fair value gap. Oh yeah, by the way, we can consider this as breakaway gap. So far, solid reaction, you're right. Visual order being to front. So as I said before, break above this green line on 15-minute chart, potential move higher. Ideally, once again, strong break. I don't care about like one tick touch. We will see. So no entry point yet. Once again, I'm not going to execute simply because I would like to see something. If no entry, what's the reason to even execute something? Right? We are smart people. We don't need to blindly press buttons because we are smart people. Observing so far, let me show you something. How can I open this? Oh, I can duplicate actually. Give me 1 second. I'm going to show you stat map right now. Right here. Well, let's give it time to load this indicator. So right here, it's going to be 2-minute level. I mean, 4-hour levels. Right here, it's going to be daily levels. Just need to give it a time to load indicator. Takes time. Come on, daily level. Oh, right here, perfect. So as we can see, ES already trying to respect bullish manipulation, right? So can I say it offered 15-minute inversion? No, we don't have any imbalances right here. It's pretty much balanced part right here. Okay, can I say we have something on ES, on NQ? Yeah, it's trying to offer inversion right here. We're waiting for the break above this level on 15-minute chart. This strong break above this level makes sense to aim for liquidity right here, for example, right here, but makes sense to aim for a new day opening gap. So at this point, I will aim for daily open. If you can break the levels that I mentioned like 3 times already. So that's daily level. So what I can see once again, all I can see, my monitor is stop working again. I need to throw this away already. Get a new one. Okay, we are in versus fair value gap. Amazing, perfect. Like perfect, beautiful. Would like to see break above this level right here, right now. Strong break. I don't care about sweep. Then deliver to new day opening gap. Daily open, to be more specific. Let's set alert, so because obviously we can. What's the price? Okay, 81.75. 50. Okay, just like 1 tick away. Yeah, we'll see. I do need all these indicators for SPX. SPX. So my key level, I would say my support level remains right here, 60.66. So once again, it's like 17 points away, right? Yeah, 17 points away from this price right here. Let's balance this fair value gap right here. Support level is going to be right here, 75% of old RTH gap. And let's see how we can react right now. It's going to break above RTH gap, retest our all-time high again, or finally it's going to respect this level. But once again, if it wants to respect on SPX, I don't want to see higher than this up-close candle, than 75% retest. But it needs to drop like 17 points on both ES and SPX at this point. Just keep this in mind. We have our fair value gap. Yeah, I would say we already closed below this, or I'm blind, but looks like we already closed below bullish fair value gap, first bullish fair value gap. Guys, I told you, so I'm not interested in longs, and we have conditions where we can expect continuation higher. So we not us. I mean, I have conditions when we anticipate to see move higher. Otherwise, just wait, which is fine. Give me 1 second. About the question about settings. Mean right here. So it's pretty much default settings. I use mean right here. I don't use New York midnight open. I use actual daily open, which is 6 p.m. And I use these levels for hour and daily. That's it. Interesting how NQ stuck at the first presented fair value gap so far. Yeah, it's interesting support. Okay. One hour fair value gap. Yeah, we got 1 hour fair value gap, and basically we got inversion as well. So if it wants to, and by the way, we got 1 hour bearish inversion fair value gap. That's interesting because top of this inversion almost lines up with daily open. So far, interesting action from Asia high. And once again, that's absolutely okay. That's absolutely fine. Yeah, Trump's peaking at 11, so I already put this line right here just in case I will not be able to see the time. So I will see this line. I don't know what will happen. I cannot like see the future, unfortunately. So what I said, if you just joined, preferably be done before 11. And at this point, we'll just observe how price will move during like Trump's speech. Okay. While we are waiting, let's see how 6 a.m. levels playing out right now. So basically, we got move from this wire open back to this manipulation level right here. Unfortunately or fortunately, we did not get any inversions right here. We can just observe. And this manipulation level right here lines up with London low, if I'm not mistaken. So give me 1 second. Just 1 second. I'm going to show you something. Original plan this morning, if I will find my chart. I found it. I guess I cannot, yeah, I cannot paste this picture because it's big size of this picture. Okay. Original plan was moved to London low. Potential attempt to take this 4-hour volume imbalance. Then if it wants to reverse, it should reverse from this level or from this orange box. Balanced. Everything is balanced right here. Okay. That's 15-minute fair value gap. We simply stuck right here. Look at this consolidation. Since like 4 a.m., we're still inside this consolidation. So absolutely nothing happened. If I'm mistaken, 10:30 a.m. news is valid for oil, I mean for CL. It will not affect ES or NQ. So let's highlight some fair value gaps because we have nothing on 2-minute chart. That's 1 minute. MyFundedFutures is addicted trading at this time. Yeah, preferably be done before 11 a.m. once you can. Preferably, please. Or trade like after 12. New day opening gap from Wednesday. What's the price, if you don't mind me to ask? What's the price for new day opening gap from Wednesday? I don't remember. Interesting how NQ keep respecting 15-minute inversion for your value gap. $7.99. Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, it's okay. It's almost lines up with 50% of our volume imbalance. Let's change the color for. No, I'm going to keep this. Just going to change right here. Okay, not right here. So we have 1 minute inversion for a value gap. Oh, I highlighted a different one. Okay. We have so far 1 minute inversion for a value gap. And we have bullish T-spot right here. That's 5-minute chart. But yeah, it's hourly sweep right here. I mean, perfect, amazing. But look at this hourly candles right here. Is this sweep is really valid? Not really. No, I'm not going to try this bullish spot right here because it doesn't really make sense just looking at these hourly candles. Yeah, it's like nothing. I'm even going to remove this inversion. It doesn't make sense. And, oh yeah, it's right here. Can I move this? Will it change something? No. Okay, we got 4-hour open right here. We got bullish, it's new range formed finally. So look how this 4-hour manipulation right below London low. That's amazing, honestly. That's all we need to break below London low based on our original plan. Let me see your chart. Yes, London low, and we have daily volume imbalance, or we have 4-hour volume imbalance. Yes, that's two targets that we are looking at right now. London low and this orange box right here. That's key levels. And if it wants to reverse, makes sense to take this liquidity level right here and this 4-hour volume imbalance. I believe it's the same with 4-hour volume imbalance right now. Yeah, it's based on historical data available on TradingView. So it calculates potential range. Let's see if we may take London low, which makes a little bit more sense and move higher. London low is potentially moving lower to this volume imbalance right here. That's the plan. So, ideally, it's going to be London low, preferably lower. So if I want to long, I will look for long opportunity below London low or from this volume imbalance right here. I mean, let's do this a little bit more beautiful. Perfect long, in my humble opinion, is going to be somewhere right here. Not sure about stop loss because I don't know how this thing is going to look like. And then something like this. In my opinion, it's going to be perfect long. Because right now, this long is ugly. I mean, that's it. So plan, if it may offer this, it's going to be like A+, in my opinion. If it's going to be from London low, a little bit lower, it's going to be like A-. But if it's going to be right now, it's going to be like C-. That's my grade for setups right now that I see. Because right now we're trying to reverse from nowhere. Retrace. I mean, yeah, maybe 15-minute inversion fair value gap. I told you my plan, so preferably to see. I mean, I will consider this at least at like high probability. Right now, if it wants to retrace higher, I mean, go higher, I'm okay, but it's not high probability in my opinion. Just makes sense to wait. Yes, kind of stuck at this first presented fair value gap. Same plan, only yes, lower. We have this liquidity right here. Oh, it's to this level right here. How can I... This dark red bold line right here. Okay, let's pray for more flow first. It will make like much more sense Then stupid move up first. Giveaway is going to be start in 10 minutes. Because right now we're trying to be focused on setup. Because we don't want to trade after 11. We want to be done before 11. That's the plan. You're looking to use this 6 p.m. Can you please give me the price? So they need to look for the price. Stuck at this first presented fair value gap. Oh my god. Only yes, so far for our open 10 a.m. open is flat candle. This means it doesn't have manipulation. You anticipate you get delayed manipulation. NQ, not perfect. I cannot, long right now because like we are right at the middle of consolidation. As I said before, it's like C minus long if it wants to be long. It's like horrible long idea because in my opinion, like it's from nowhere. I mean, yes, trying to respect first presented for a value gap. Just all I know, if it wants to reverse and continue going higher to our, for example, London high, New York midnight open, I will not take this. I will not even be disappointed with this. But if I may go lower, for example, to take London low, enter for our volume imbalance, then long is going to be at least like A plus, maybe even A plus setup. Local high taking, yeah, fake one. Probably if this is a test of first presented for a value gap. Yeah, I agree with you. Because we have Trump's speech today at 11, maybe it's consolidating right now for this reason. Maybe it's trying to build daily power of 3. I don't know. I don't know. But once again, guys, since we are not going to trade after 11, and for some reason I'm going to finish early, so plan is going to be the same. So we are looking for move lower to London low and for our volume balance. Set up for long to aim for retest of our open 10 a.m. open and then London high. So just in case then like lots of people told me yesterday, you didn't tell us it's going to like go higher than lower. But I was, how many times I said that yesterday? 20? 50? I was like, okay. Okay. Right now, just sitting and watching these amazing moves from discount to premium, from premium to discount. We have so much fun so far watching this amazing price action. It's so interesting. Oh my god. Maybe maybe we need to start streaming right at 10 a.m. So we don't need to like sit from 9:30 to until 10 a.m. because it's like last 3 weeks it's something like this. Just need to start streaming at 10, I guess. Or start at 9:30. Just like have some fun before 10. Don't even open charts. And then like, okay, time for trading at 10. So far that's 15 minutes inversion. Trying to hold. That's an inversion fair value gap trying to hold since it failed to break this level right here, which is London low. Based on 15-minute setup, once again, but if it wants to continue going higher, which is not perfect, but okay, we need to break this level right here since we already have inversion to deliver to daily open. You made your mark. Let me see which levels. Oh, 920. 920 is 15-minute liquidity level right here. This one just sweep right here. So far, I keep sweeping this low right here, and that's it. So basically, like internal liquidity levels. Means nothing, so not that important. I would say important only this buy side liquidity right here. Since we're still trying to hold this inversion, if we may see strong break above this level, should take London high and retrace back to daily open. Just based on 15-minute chart. Based on 2-minute chart, nothing interesting. I would say market doesn't care what you want to see or what you need, unfortunately. As well as market doesn't care about my expectations as well. So these numbers in my chart, it's just flat candles, guys. Flat candles means no weak candles, weakless candles. If you need indicator, just let me know. Weakless candles. Crystal, it's right in front of my eyes. You know, he's confused right now. So manipulation level on ES is right here, right near 15-minute internal side liquidity level, and right here, right above breakout structure on 15-minute chart. 15-second SMT. Don't even start. Don't even start with your 15-second SMT, please. Not working. Did not work. Oh my god. I mean, yeah, I saw this hourly candle and I saw 3 previous hourly candles. I mean, looks exactly the same, nothing changed. Well, guys, just, best what we can do right now is just try to stay away from this amazing price action. Market consolidating on NQ since 4 a.m. 4 a.m. Right now it's 10. For 6 hours, we have consolidation. How? Yeah, come on. Just do something finally. I cannot, yeah, last 3 weeks or maybe 4 weeks, IM session is, maybe it's tradable, but after 11 a.m. Yeah, Trump speaks at 11. We all know this. 45 minutes left. 45 minutes left to trade. Otherwise, we are going to trade after 12 only. You're trading 1 micro. Perfect. I mean, I don't mind to trade 1 micro. At least I need to see something to trade. If IM session wants to over something, I will trade maybe with 4 micros. Maybe even 3 micros. Kind of not worth the risk so far with this price action. So far, interesting reaction from first presented fair value gap on ES. So basically, we're trying to dispeg this 1 minute first presented fair value gap. While we already inverted this first presented fair value gap on NQ, is it going to be a reclaimed fair value gap? Is it going to be an inversion? So we're trying to dispeg this? That's the question. It's not, I wouldn't say it's smart to say 15-minute SMT because AS was inside bullish trend all the time while NQ was consolidating. It wasn't in sync at all, so kind of hard to call this like SMT. I don't remember what was last January. Like literally don't remember what was that year. I remember last June, June 2023 was horrible for me. I was like, I was trading ES that year. And I was like, what's wrong with the ES? It was simply, like price action was like this. Small bodies, huge wicks. I was like, time to switch to an NQ. Then I switched on NQ and I was like, it was crazy fast. So June was hard, 2023, I remember. But January, I have no idea. I literally don't remember what was that year. Like last year, 2 years ago. I don't remember. So far, no trades. And I'm so happy with this that we don't have any trades so far. I mean, let's be honest, guys. Look at this 2-minute chart. From 9:30 a.m., it did not offer any fair value gap at all. At all. Like, no fair value gaps. Nothing to trade. Like, everything balanced right here. It's like solid consolidation. And keep consolidating because of Trump's speech? I have no idea, probably. Okay, reclaimed fair value gap. So let's say we have bullish fair value gap, right? So then NQ inverted this fair value gap, created inversion fair value gap. Let's say this inversion fair value gap didn't play out. Happens. We did trace back up above this inversion fair value gap. We already closed above this inversion fair value gap. This bullish fair value gap becomes a reclaimed fair value gap. So this still valid bullish fair value gap. It's not inversion anymore. You're about to blow your account. How you trade this? How? Share with us how you trade this price action. You traded today. I mean, what did you execute? Well, guys, while we are waiting for, I don't know why, what we are waiting for, let me open share Google link for you guys, where you're going to Google form. Enter your username for giveaway, copy link. Okay, guys, here's link for giveaway. Here's link for giveaway. I'm going to share, like, let's say, several times. Here's the link for giveaway. If you want to participate in giveaway, I'm going to give away 3 accounts, FX replay accounts. It's going to be free 1 month. Enter this giveaway. My plan is to wait for potential move lower to London low and right here. Okay, trying to respect this inversion. Okay, monitor stopped working. Finally. Come on. Need to get a new one. Stop working. Anyway, this monitor with me like for almost 4 years. It's time. It's time to change it, finally. Trump coin. Oh, don't even ask about this. It's so manipulated, so I have no idea. How many? Yeah, I mean, this monitor was like for, like for some charts. I never use this monitor like daily for Discord, for example, to watch some other stocks, for example. And I had similar one. I got this from Kostka. It stopped working like last year. Just stopped working. And it's time for this one. It's LG. Stop working. That's it. Black screen again. You know, it's like it's fine for 30 minutes, then it's like black screen. Okay. Just need to get another one to change something. That's it. Okay. Whatever. Stop working. Annoying. I need to. You know, it stopped working, but I cannot move my tabs from there. Come on. Give me one tab. I need to move this. Where's my mouse? At least I'm having some fun with my monitor. Okay. Oh, yeah, stop working at all. Yeah. Give me 1 second. We'll try to do something with this. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Turn on. We are back, finally. HP. And yeah, let me take notes of your monitor. Thank you for it. Okay, guys, I'm going to send the link for giveaway again. Guys, if you just joined, I'm having giveaway today. One 3 months of FX replay. 3 winners going to be. Then, guys, I have good news. Yesterday, I posted a schedule for giveaways. Next week, I'm going to give away Elite Collection, lifetime access to Elite Collection, where you will be able to have open, high, low, close, that map, any other indicators, fractal model. It's going to be 3 winners as well. Next week. Nothing. It's not long. It's not short. It's still inside consolidation. So it depends. So nothing right now. We need to break this consolidation, at least to try to break this consolidation, to consider at least something, right? Guys, I sent the Google form in the chat. If you just joined and would like to participate in giveaway, click the link then. Yeah, it makes lots of sense to wait for 11. Just open like 15-minute chat. Absolutely nothing happened. How are you today? I mean, I'm fine. We inside consolidation. Having so much fun looking at this consolidation. So for today, giveaway is going to be 1 3 months of FX replay. Next week is going to be lifetime access to Elite Collection, where we will be able to have fractal model, open high low close that map, any other indicators provided by 2degree. So also it's going to be junior giveaways. In February, we are going to have desk mat giveaway finally. And then I'm going to give away Elite Trader and MyFundedFutures evaluations. MyFundedFutures first, then Elite Trader if you would like to have Elite Trader evaluation. Yeah, it doesn't make sense to trade right now, this consolidation. Simply what I can see, we're moving from discount to premium, like for the last 6 hours. Top step giveaway. And by the way, no. I would like to give away MyFundedFutures because it doesn't have activation fee. So in the future, it's going to be completely free for you. But for Top Step, I'm going to give you like Top Step account for which costs like $50, right? So all I pay is $50, but you need to pay activation fee, which will be like $150. So makes sense to give away accounts that doesn't have activation fee, in my opinion, right? So once again, I posted the link. If you just joined, guys, I posted the link for giveaway right here, and right here. So right at 11, I'm going to announce the winners. I'm going to post screenshot on my screen right here where I will pick just 3 random winners using Google Randomizer. So far, we have like 300 people entered this giveaway. Level 2 trading, absolutely okay with this. I don't care what people trade, honestly. Everything works. If level 2 works for them, that's crazy. That's amazing. That's beautiful. So I never hate any strategy because, once again, the strategy in trading doesn't really matter. But what is important is psychology, risk management. What you trade, market doesn't care about you trade. Yeah, we're waiting for Trump's speech. That's only what makes sense right now. Guys, talk with me. Any questions? It's so boring to wait and look at these charts. I've been trading for 3 years. I'm trading for 3 years. I'm funded with Top Step, so I started trading them only like by the end of the last year, so not live, just like funded with them. I'm not going to write a new book. Come on, it takes so much time. No. I did not watch 2024 mentorship yet. Yeah, finally I feel better. Finally. I tried after 10 like 90% of the time. After 10 and before 2 and after 2 and before 6. So mostly like after 2 and until 4 p.m. and like after 10 and until 12. So lunch break is lunch break. Sometimes, yes, setup is going to like occur during lunch. So at this point, I'm going to wait, but it's like almost never. Cannot see it on your hands? You have model. If you cannot see it on your hands, but you said you have model, right? So this means you don't have model because you simply don't want to follow the rules, which is bad, unfortunately. Any interest in crypto, like long-term investor? Yes, like intraday trading, not really. What time do you trade Asia? Guys, who remember what time did we trade yesterday? What time it was? It was after 9? I know lots of people right here who we traded with yesterday. What time it was? Like after 9, I believe. Very Russian. Oh my god. I don't really trade Asia, but sometimes yesterday we had so much fun to trade in Asia. I mean, yesterday, we were long. What time it was? Yeah, we went long right here, and I said like I saw lots of targets was like at 971. I said like put the target at 696. No, 699, right? And where the price went? Like if I want to be more specific, because I was like, I see the future. Look at this. Yesterday I said like try to close right here. To the tick. I was right like to the tick. It was funny. Because initially we put target at 70, right? You did not close. Why? I said hold to this level. And they said like hold to this level and then like it reversed from there. So we were long from this, from here. It wasn't like lots of points, like 30 points, but it was amazing. Like it wasn't stream. We just it was just like intraday comments. That's why I'm fine because I traded Asia, so I'm okay to not like execute. I'm okay to not execute AM session. Giveaway, guys, I already posted link for the giveaway. Trying to break above this level so far. Yeah, it's going to be the video on YouTube. No need to trade AM session anymore for me. Looks like for me as well. I'm totally fine to trade PM in Asia. Like, time to switch and enjoy AM. Enjoy morning like without trading at all. Yeah, recently, like last 3 or 4 weeks, I trade PM in Asia only. And like done for today. So far, trying to break above this level. Yeah, it depends. If it wants to, for example, drop right now all the way down to this manipulation levels, then obviously we're not going to short anymore. It's impossible to steam because I'm with kids. I have kids, guys. Keep this in mind. I cannot like steam every single day, every single minute. I have family. already broke above this level. So if you want to once again switch on 15-minute chart and just simply look, not right here, let's look right here. Simply look at this daily manipulation level. Once again, we got inversion, which is okay, nice already for us. Now we are waiting for the stronger break above this level. And at this point, makes sense to aim for daily open. Trump speech in 25 minutes. 25 minutes left. Yeah, yesterday we anticipated to see move up, then like short. We got this, just like not when we're like Warren Steam, right? It's okay. Idea was valid. Just was delayed, unfortunately. It was delivered like 1:30. Giveaway reveal is going to be in 25 minutes at 11, as I said before. Yeah, you will see my executions, yeah. I mean, I'm not on trader right now, nothing to show. If they're going to go up right now, yes, we will see new day opening gap before 11. Right here, we set alert 981. Hello, Brian. Yeah, I didn't see you for a long time as well. We missed you. Actually, 15-minute settings, 4-hour settings is the same, just different levels. For 15-minute setup, we trade in daily levels, or 2-minute setup, we trade in 4-hour levels. That's pretty much it. So settings the same. Let's trace back to 4-hour open on ES. $20 minutes left. So once again, you still have 20 more minutes to enter giveaway. Here's a Google form. At least we have imbalances finally. Because this consolidation was strong. It's going to be 3 winners today, so. Still, both ES and Q didn't touch these manipulation levels. I'm going to let you know who is going to be winner. If you see 2-minute inversion, don't trust this because we did not touch manipulation levels. No, it's not inversion that we would like to see. Remember, if you want to trade for our model, 2-minute model, we need to touch these pink lines right here or right here. At this point, 2-minute inversion must be like from these levels. Don't take inversion in the middle of nowhere. Inversion for bar gap on 1 second chart. Yeah, that's solid, by the way. High probability. You can enter. 1 tick stop loss and like 100 points like target. Yeah, I checked it. It works. Yeah, in. Okay. Make sure it's like 1 tick stop loss. It's not 1 tick stop loss, so it's bad trade. So right now we have 2 key levels that I'm looking for, this or this. Same money, yes. This or this. See, I told you it's a bad trade. Yeah, I have 1 second chart, by the way. It's funny chart. Crazy. But yeah, we got 1 second. It's not valid. It was 2 seconds ago. 2 minutes ago. Okay, this one, right? Still in. You got stopped then. Oh my god. 1 second inversion. Full ported, guys. All available contracts on your funded account. Not financial advice. Stopped. Oh my god, that's so bad. Source, trust me. Exactly. Did you measure right here? So, in my opinion, if it wants to be lower than free market maker buy model, we need to dispute this fair value gap. Even if it's like slightly lower, we need to dispute this fair value gap once again. At this point, it will be first stage of accumulation. I'm not going to keep this. It's like optional, but preferably. I'm going to delete my ugly red circles. Once again, if it wants to be first stage of accumulation, I'm going to repeat this again. It must respect this fair value gap. So far, 2 standard deviation to the tick lines up with London high, and 2.5 almost to not to the tick, almost lines up with New York midnight open. So we have alert right here at daily open. So based on levels right here, we would like to anticipate this level taken. We got 15-minute inversion, ugly consolidation, but we never invalidated this inversion right here. So we may aim for daily open. It's like 60 points away so far, 50 points away, 50 points away from daily open. But kind of doesn't look bad to take daily open right here. You know, I want to long once we can take London low, as I said before, to long for the same levels. Let me measure how big this range from here. 70 points so far. Okay, 12 minutes left, guys. And 55. 55. 10 a.m. $8.98. Ten minutes left. We will see. So once again, 2 standard deviation of 2-minute manipulation leg lines up with London high, and 2.5 lines up with New York midnight open. So that's range between London high and New York midnight open is a key range. So retracement or reversal range. And once again, I'm going to repeat this 4 times already. This fair value group must hold if it wants to be first stage of accumulation. Then it's going to distortion right here. Maybe second stage of the accumulation is going to be the daily open, and that's it. Guys, I'm going to announce the winner in 10 minutes. So far, we're sitting with 0 trades. I cannot say which time frame is better to trade because I don't know. For me, 2 minute, 1 minute works. For you, maybe it will not work. So I cannot recommend time frames that will work for you because I don't know. So if you want to enter the giveaway, you need to click this link. Hourly OB, yeah. By the way, hourly order block lines up exactly with 50% of inversion fair value gap. Yeah, TradeZella. Yeah, absolutely amazing tool. Yeah, I can recommend this even like more than FX Replay. Absolutely amazing tool for journaling, for taking notes, for backtesting, for forward testing, for tracking your performance. Great tool. So usually I try to risk around like $300 per trade. I'm not that perfect in trading first presented for a wall gap, so cannot recommend something. If I trade in Q, I always trade M and Q, micros. So I'm looking right now, I'm going to highlight these levels again, this level right here. Or if it wants to drop, once again, it's important to trade off levels right here and this level right here. Which color would like to pick? Oh, pink color. Yeah. And blue color right here. Perfect combination of colors. No, ugly pink right here. Much better. So these two levels is key levels. So basically resistance and support right here. And above this level, we have New York midnight open and daily open. So I hope it's going to be like highest targets. If it wants to continue going higher, ugly pink. And we have support level right below London low. So ideally, if it wants to be, once again, first move up, maybe to daily open, maybe slightly higher to this first standard deviation, which lines up with hourly fair value gap, I will look for the retracement anyway. I just don't know what level will take first, London high or London low. It depends. Setup will depend on these liquidity levels. That's it. Giveaway in 6 minutes. Since we're still inside London range, so I cannot say exactly what I would like to see. I mean, short or long, because depends on what level will be taken first. London high, New York midnight open then, and then daily open. And at this point, yeah, we can look for potential short opportunity right back to 15-minute inversion fair value gap and potentially to London low. Or, for example, London low will be taken first. I don't know, so we will see. Yeah, London high and London low is between 2 and 5 a.m. Exactly. Yeah, we have indicator, by the way, if you would like too lazy to use your hands for um for highlighting Asia kill zone, London kill zone. I'm going to share the indicator with you guys. Absolutely amazing indicator. Give me 1 second, copy the link. That indicator which highlights New York midnight open, Asia high, Asia low, previous day high, previous day low, London kill zones, AM session, buy side, sell side, PM, lunch. Once again, here is indicator. Like account is better than 500s. 500 account is better. I mean, yeah, with live account you don't have like this kind of rules that you have in funded, but on funded you can. I prefer funded accounts, I would say. What do you need to participate in giveaway? You need to scroll up. Okay, I'm going to do this for you. You need to go right copy the same address. No, not like this. You need to go scroll up, guys. I said the link for participation in giveaway. It's like 50 messages higher. Yes, we tested, by the way, break of structure, which is okay for us. We're on premium right now. We got fair value gap right here. We got inversion right here. Trying to test this. Indicator. Okay, guys, 2 minutes left. I mean, like, prepare your popcorn. Where's my popcorn? I don't have it. It's going to be okay. This means if no setup presented until 11, it actually never presented anything, in my opinion. We will trade after 12. I protected you. I protected you from taking this inversion for a value gap. Say thank you. I'm kidding. Okay, guys, it's 1 minute left. It's going to be like a quick move up or down. Up. How many points? Like 60, 100 points up immediately or immediately down to London low. That's interesting. It's going to be funny. Giveaway in 1 minute as well, so. $40 points, come on. It's not that fun. It must be like something crazy, something wild. And we are ready for something. I'm so excited. Okay, guys. While we are waiting for something to happen, we have 446 people entered this giveaway. Crazy. I'm going to open randomizer right now. So once again, we have 446 people. Can I bring this? I guess you cannot see this. Okay, first winner is going to be generate 22. Number 22 was the first winner. I'm going to just put a screenshot. First winner is 22. And this guy is Congratulations. Okay, next winner. Generate for 441. 441. Let me highlight the colorful one. 441 is this guy. I cannot even read his nickname. Okay, this guy right here. I cannot even read his name. And last one. Last one for today is 362. Okay. $362 is it's okay. Next week I'm going to give away Elite Collection. Elite Collection of indicators. Congratulations, winners. Oh, I see the winner. Okay, so far, here's the winners, guys. I'm going to save this. So far, nothing significant happened. Like, I mean, yeah, we finally entered this manipulation level. It's about to take a London high. It's about to take 2 standard deviation. It's about to take this manipulation level right here. Provided the names already in the chat. Okay. I will see it right here. You're welcome. Congratulations. So my concern right now is NQ still did not take any high time frame liquidity levels. For example, London high. We have this 4 standard deviation, right? Not 4 standard deviation, for our manipulation level right above London high. I'm going to disconnect accounts. I literally have no idea what Trump needs to say, like to destroy our, for example, setup. If we may see something, it can be easily like stop loss. Good sign right here is manipulation level taken on ES, but failed to be taken on NQ, as well as failed to be taken, London high failed to be taken, New York midnight open. So You know, even hard to predict right now. I will sit for 15 minutes right here, but I disconnected accounts just once again. Not ready to risk something. Simply because I don't know what needs to happen, like to immediately like hit my stop loss. It's like, I guess nothing, just Trump will say hello and my stop loss will be hit. I mean, best what I can do is just like observe. Trump is speaking right now. He said hello. Time to drop 50 points. $69C. Is it was you that I said you need to move your target? I don't remember. Pretty similar name. Yeah, see? He said hello and market dropped. Oh, come on. We don't have any fair value gaps right here, unfortunately, but we do have this one. Crazy. It's not inversion yet, so we'll see. For our chart, we still inside. Oh, we tested 50% of our inversion. What else? Nothing. We're trying to expect nothing. I mean, reaction from 50% of inversion so far. No, I never look at YM chart. I'm thinking, you know, if it wants to invert this fair value gap, just place below this level right here, below this flat candle. Of course, preferable to look something on NQ, but we have nothing on NQ. That's so annoying. Just like annoying. I don't take any trades right now. I'm just trying to see what I can do. What can analyze right now to consider any trade. Oh, come on. It's not inversion that we would like to take. See, I cannot trade NQ simply because it did not finish its job. As well as I cannot execute ES. Once again, we need to have at least market structure to execute something. I will adjust this entry, so it's obviously nothing to take. I disconnected Epic's accounts, but maybe top step. Contest as SMT, you know, I would not recommend to use this as SMT because in our perfect world, you would like to see both ES taking this level. You're in? No, I'm not in. I'm looking for short on ES. I mean, it's going to be volatile right now. Let's, you know, just forward as is. I mean, not right here. It's not breakout right here. Interesting what will happen. Because we don't have the setup on NQ. We have only on ES. That's why it's interesting right now. I executed ES based on the setup maybe like 2-3 times only. No, guys, don't enter. No. I'm just forward testing this. I'm not in this trade. We got this ugly 2-minute inversion, but once again, it failed to take level right here. Stop saying this. Oh, no. Come on, people don't understand that you're trying to joke right now. Stop it. Guys, it's my top step platform. I'm not on trade right now. I wanted to trade NQ, MNQ. But once again, I'm not... guys, if you're smart people, don't execute while Trump speaking right now. It's absolutely stupid decision. It's absolutely not smart. It's stupid. Like, be smart, right? Nothing to hide. I took 0 trades today. Tell them. Yeah, I'm just trying to, guys, tell you that absolutely 0 reason to execute news. I mean, if you trade demo account, of course, you're not going to be worried about this. But I don't have demo. I mean, I don't trade demo accounts. I don't have even evaluations. I'm worried about this. All I would like to see London high taken. We still within this range. 10 cents. It's so close to take this level. I mean, all I would like to see, like, it's in sync. So we got a test of this level again. I hope I said this on time to not execute. you know, if you will trade without like, stop loss, eventually it will hit your stop loss. I mean, your profit, target profit. Guys, don't ask stupid questions if you need to short or long. What your analysis trying to tell you? Or margin call, exactly. Oh, CL, something interesting on CL. Let me see. CL dropped hard. No, guys, I'm sitting with no trades. So what I see, what I see so far, yes, it is this manipulation level right here. Still trying to hold inversion, by the way. We have liquidity right here, and we have liquidity right here. What time it was? It's not SMT. We're still inside London kill zone range. Yeah, keep us updated with what Trump's saying right now. I did not take any trades. No. Imagine trading this consolidation. Ideally, okay, nothing ideal because we still did not take any manipulation levels. It depends. So if NQ will decide to drop right now again to London low, London high will be target for maybe for PM session. It might be local high, yes. So if this is of course, if it may go higher right now to take London high, it's going to be local high. Yeah, exactly. So basically, London high taken right here. We're entering this level, maybe New York midnight open, and then potentially lower. Happy I decided to follow the plan, to wait for the level to be taken. The reason that they don't want to take London high or London low is crazy, ridiculous. Let me open YouTube right now. Trump speaking. Guys, open. Guys, look at this chat right here. So if you want to watch Trump right now, look at the chat right now. Right there. That's so funny. Chat's so funny right there. I'm going to lock probably account on top step right now for 1 hour. I feel like I need to do this. Okay, nothing. I'm going to lock account right now for 30 minutes. Locked for 30 minutes, so I will not make stupid mistakes. Locked. Best decision ever, I would say. Nothing to trade. So yeah, I'm going to be done. I will try to trade PM. I hope some levels will be taken before 2 p.m. so to execute. Guys, I like my accounts. Obviously, I don't feel like I would like to short right now or long. I mean, I cannot short because I cannot see a model right here to short, right? And I cannot say it's SMT since one level was taken on yes, another one was failed to be taken on NQ. I mean, it's too early to say like no model right now. We have time until 2 p.m. I just decided to, to lock account for 30 minutes. Best decision, I guess, with this price action. But okay, if IM was ugly, this means PM is going to be nice. There's still like lots of sense to go higher to take key levels, which like was extremely stupid to not take on NQ. See, guys, like no FOMO. We have plan. We're trying to follow this plan, and this is how we can avoid taking unnecessary losses. Yesterday was nice, like amazing. I took 2 trades yesterday, PM and Asia, but did not execute IM because actually I did not trade PM session. I executed IM setup, just like it was late delivery, I would say. But we discussed the setup during IM session, so I hope if you saw the setup, you took this. Okay, colors right here, right here. I would not say it was like huge profit since I traded micros. 5 micros, it wasn't huge profit. It was like $300 for first trade, and it was like how much it was like $200 on second trade. So I ended up being like 500 only. Not huge profit, so nothing to share. Like SMT between ES and Q so far. On 4 accounts. I mean, yeah, not that bad, but could be better. We have SMT between ES and Q, but once again, I locked account, so I'm not going to execute anything. We need to hit either this level or this level first. I don't care who's going to be first to consider any setups. Yeah, really would like to take to try to stream on during PM session. Just if price actions continue going to be like this, I'm going to stream only PM session. Just I don't want to spend my time on AM session at this point. I did not take any trades at all. Yesterday, when I was trying to trade IM setup, I took 1 loss, and this loss was because I decided to move my stop loss. It was like, pretty like no room to breathe actually. So I stopped out, but it was like, $5 stop loss and whatever. Then I entered again at the same price, by the way. By the way, perfect circle, right? Not perfect right here, but amazing right here. Stream both. I mean, better to stream just, 1 session because it's hard. We spent like 2 hours on this and it moved like 50 points. 2 hours. 2 hours on this. 2 hours of our lives on this price action. Amazing, beautiful. How to describe this? With points. Yeah, account locked. So I lock this right in front of your eyes. It's going to be locked for the next 24 minutes. So nothing to execute. I disconnected Apex. I locked Top Step. So absolutely nothing to trade. In order to enter need to trade again, I need to enter huge password. I mean, obviously it's going to take so much time. So no trades right here. I will wait for PM session. Maybe IM session will be delivered today. Just need to wait. If you trade TopStep X on TopStep X platform, you can lock accounts exactly right there. So next to your unrealized button right here, I'm not sure if I cannot actually show this. Actually, can try. Give me 1 second. Next to your unrealized profit right here, you have option lock out. You can lock your account right here. See this? 22 minutes left. London High, what's about to be taken? I'm just asking for a friend, like, what's about to take London High? Oh, no way. Finally did it? They're so kind to me today. Okay, so basically London High lines up with a 2 standard deviation right here. And we have room to go higher to New York midnight open. Trade. I guess I can try. Give me 1 second. Can I? If I'm doing, guys, give me. I'm going to do something. If I'm going to close this, it's same chart. Yesterday trade. Yeah, we took yesterday trade. One trade yesterday. Give me 1 second. I'm going to find this. I'm just going to show you using Discord, okay? Just not going to look for executions or something like this. Okay. So that was right here. So basically we hit a manipulation level. Can you see my screen? I guess so. We'll explain trade that I took yesterday. So it's top step, so you cannot see my level. So basically we hit manipulation level. It was bearish manipulation on forward chart, and it was daily distribution level. So basically 2 levels lines up. So I expected to see if we may invert this fair value gap and display something like this to try to short with stop loss above this equal highs and target for our open. So I was waiting. Okay, entered with displacement right here. So as once we displaced on ES, I entered this trade with stop loss right here. Partial was measuring gap on 2-minute chart, and final target, as I mentioned before. Then I was like, ES doesn't want to displace, and I decided to close the trade. For small stupid decision, I'm going to explain why. I saw it's like it's trying to retrace back up after reacting from this flat candle, and we still had this measuring gap right here. I was like, no way we are going to right now reverse. I was like, maybe if it wants to reverse, I'm just going to close and re-enter higher. It was big stop loss. That's why I decided to close the trade. So, and re-enter higher this BPR maybe. And I closed the trade. I was waiting. Re-enter it again. Stop loss was 13 points at this point. Target was the same, so partial. I entered with 5 micros, partial was 2 micros at margin gap, and final target was right here. Right here. And we were waiting. We finally hit my partial. And then final target. And like, finally, I was so happy. Amazing. We can go home. And that's it. I did not execute any trade anymore after this. But this trade was discussed yesterday before I leaving. So just unfortunately, this setup, give me 1 second, what time it was? This setup occurred like 12:43. 12:43, guys. I finished like at 11:20, right? So the plan remains the same, guys. So so right now we took London high, it's about to take New York midnight open. So we are looking right now on 15-minute levels right here. So as I said before, we are looking for daily open right here. I set alert just in case I want to miss something. Then 2-minute setup, possibly too short to 4-hour open, and then manipulation level. So guys, I'm just looking for continuation slightly higher, maybe New York midnight open, but preferably daily open right here. And if 2-minute setup can occur somewhere right here, try to short to 4-hour open. Maybe London high, but 4-hour open. That's my plan, so I'm going to be done for now. Yeah, not worth it. Especially like I logged accounts, 17 more minutes. No reason to wait for something. Okay, guys, if any other questions, and if it's important questions, just please ask me on Twitter. Okay? Okay? I will see you guys tomorrow. Kind of would like to see daily open. Guys, daily open, just highlight this label on your chart, is going to be 2180. No. I'm blind, like, come on. 981.75. Okay. Highlight daily open on your chart. Even on my glasses, I cannot see anything. That's daily open, guys, that you would like to have on your chart. Daily open. Okay, guys. I will see you tomorrow. Let's take a break. Especially I cannot trade for the next 16 minutes. No reason to wait for something. Okay, guys. Love you. See you tomorrow. If any other important questions, ask me please on Twitter. Okay? Bye-bye, guys.